Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more credit information. Check out my website and download your free hard inquiry removal package. We have other removal packages for all your negative items. If you have questions, reach me at my website and they go directly to my cell phone. Make sure you check it out in the link in the description of this video.
Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can make money by teaching people to do this simple credit hack. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help you no matter where you are in your credit journey by teaching you credit education. Now, if you are new to my channel and this sounds like something that will interest you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video also a thumbs up. Now, I also have started a new business channel where I do answer your credit questions at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday. I go live. So if you want to join me, make sure you go ahead and click the link in the description of this video and subscribe to that channel and hit the notification bell so when I go live, you'll be notified. So let's jump into this video. Now, what you're going to do is I'm going to break this down for you guys on how to teach people this, and then I am going to talk to you on how you can make money on the second part of this video. First, you have to make sure you're clear with people and educating them in how this hack works. Now, when you are understanding credit, you guys, always remember, credit is just an algorithm. This is why credit education is very important, because this is an algorithm that is dictated off of your behavior. So if you don't understand how to behave and how the algorithm works, you're going to constantly be in a bad cycle of having bad credit. All of us right now know somebody, a family or a friend, or even yourself personally, that is struggling with your credit. And I'm quite sure it's only two problems. One is education, because you keep doing the same thing that is coming up on the algorithm that's making you look bad as a credit-worthy person. Or two is the income bracket. Either you might have made income, got hurt, and couldn't work, or lost income from unemployment and you couldn't pay your bills. My business channel is for that, so it can show you how to make multiple streams of income. So you want to ultimately, with your credit, understand credit is golden handcuffs, but you want to build your credit and learn how to leverage your credit in order to make money or get assets. Like myself, built my credit and I became a landlord by getting income producing property. Now, the way you want to break this down to someone and teach them, make them understand credit, majority of times when people think about credit and improving their credit, they're looking to remove negative items, because payment history is the largest chunk, which is 35% of your credit score. But what they are not focusing on is the second largest percentage that makes up your credit score, which is utilization, aka also known as debt to available credit, meaning unsecured lines of available credit. If a person don't have a credit card, their credit score will remain lower than what it could be if they get a credit card and get available credit, because this makes up 30% of their credit score. Okay, so the hack is you don't have to remove one negative item to get your score to go up if you're under a 700 credit score. All you simply do is add on a credit card or some kind of form of unsecured lines of credit. Remember, because a lot of people are confused about this. I don't know why they don't Google it. An unsecured line of credit means you're not putting a deposit down, or it's not a car or a home attached to it. That kind of credit is a secured loan, secured account, okay? Because there's something that they can go after. Unsecured is just strictly a credit line of a revolving credit account that is based on your own good credit worthiness, okay? Mean off of your credit score or someone's credit score, credit profile. So adding unsecured lines of credit, you will see your score jump 50 points on average if your credit score is under a 700. If you're above a 700, you have to employ a different strategy. You just don't want to add new credit cards because it'll decrease your credit score. I have a course and courses on different credit hacks. So if you're a person above 700 credit score, you need to try a different strategy. Go to my website and you can check that out. But for anybody that's under that 700 score, they don't have to remove nothing negative. Just add an unsecured line of credit. Now, how should they do this? What they need to do is look for unsecured lines of credit by looking for cards that you can pre-approve for or pre-qualify for with a soft inquiry pull. So what does that mean? You got to make sure you explain this to people. Credit card companies are looking for people in a certain credit profile, because understand, banks and credit card companies make money off of interest. So they kind of need you as much as you may want to be in business with them. They need you. They only make money off of interest. So they are looking for people to fit in a credit profile for their product. So with the pre-qualification, with the soft pull, you can go and you can see if you pre-approve or pre-qualify for that card without a hard impact or a hard inquiry on your credit profile. And they'll let you know if you pre-approve or don't. But always remember, even if you get pre-approved, it doesn't guarantee that you're going to get the final approval. If you decide to pull the trigger and process that application, majority of the times it's going to lead to a hard inquiry pull, whether you get approved or not approved. But the reason why, if someone is looking to improve their credit, they use pre-qualifications and pre-approvals, they're just not aimlessly getting hard inquiries, applying for credit card companies that they're not going to get approved for. At least the pre-approval or the pre-qualification, give them some kind of indication if that company would do business with them, but it's not a guarantee. It's just better than trying to apply and just getting denied flat out and not even knowing if you have a chance. So that's the route that they need to take. Now, how can you make money by doing this? This is what you guys are looking for. Well, there are programs with credit card companies where they will pay you when you refer someone. And there are some companies that actually will pay that other person if they get approved. So I have two companies that we're going to check out right now that you probably hold one of their credit cards if you are a person that have credit cards, and you can actually make money by doing this. So the two companies that we're going to look at and I'm going to highlight, they have pre-qualifications or pre-approvals. So you can help your friends, your loved ones to help improve their credit score without them getting that hard inquiry pull, and you can get paid by doing so. Now keep in mind, before we look at these two companies that will pay you for your referrals, remind people of this, because this is going to be very important for that hack to work for you. Number one, if you have a negative item that hit your credit score within a 90-day period, you need to wait after the 90 days to apply for that card. The reason why is because it takes about 90 days for your score to be able to go up after a negative item hit your credit report. So it is best for them to wait after 90 days in order to try this hack. Secondly, if you have accounts that are open and currently reporting negative every month, you need to bring it current first and wait the 90 days, because that's going to be a negative item. So if you have a car that you're behind on your car note and it's reporting late every month, you want to bring that current, or anything else. Now, that does not include collections or charge-offs generally, because they don't report late every month. But if you have a new collection or a new charge-off, you want to wait 90 days so your score will be able to go up. Also, if you have a credit card that is maxed out or that is using over 70% of its utilization, bring that credit card balance down first before you do this. And some people have little small credit cards of $300 and you don't even realize that you are close to being maxed out, because using smaller credit cards, any small amount that you charge can put you over that 70% limit. So make sure you're mindful of that, because the way the algorithm works, it still might not help you because you're close to being maxed out on another card. And even adding another line of unsecured credit won't help you, because the algorithm is picking up that one card is too close to being maxed out. So you want to keep these in mind. Also, don't get so crazy. Some people try to get multiple cards in 1 month. Like, oh, well, I'm going to add a bunch of cards in 1 month. No, you want to add one card at a time. Let one card report. So usually that's going to be 30 days before it report. Make sure it hits that credit report. It sees that increase of 40 points to 50 points, and then you apply for the next card, because it's almost like losing weight. If you try to do too much at one time, you plateau. So will their credit report. So make sure that you let them know about those little tips, okay? It's going to be important. So let's check out these companies so you can get paid.
If you're a Capital One customer, they have a friends and family referral program where you can get $100 bonus for each friend who opens a new account with your link. So you have to go and get your own personal link for them to sign up. I'll leave the link in the description of the video where you can go and do so if you're a Capital One customer, and you can earn up to $500 in a year. Here's some of the terms and conditions. The friend must use a referral link you send them. So make sure you have an updated link. They must be approved for the credit card. They must not be a current Capital One primary card holder, meaning if they're authorized user, it would count, but if they have their own account, it doesn't. Your account must be in good standing, so you can't be behind on your Capital One card payments. If you have multiple cards, the referral program terms and conditions may vary by card product. Also, the maximum that you can receive in 1 year is $500 in the statement credits, and you need to allow 8 weeks to see the bonuses reflect on your statement. Now, also keep in mind your bonuses, you will receive a 1099 tax statement that you will have to file with the IRS. So you need to see your accountant about that when you're doing your taxes. But you can make sure that you follow the terms and conditions. Also, Discover has a program where you can invite family and friends to join. You both will get $50 of a statement credit. The terms and conditions for the Discover program is you will receive a $50 statement credit for the referral reward via a link that you will provide. So just like Capital One, you have to get your own link through your account. Now, if that person is approved, this program, you would get that account, is all the way valid for December 31st, 2022. The maximum that you can earn in 1 year for yourself and the referral is $500 in a year. The friend will receive a $50 statement credit also, but they have to make a purchase within 3 months of opening the card. Now, this is not valid for the Capital One secured credit card or the Discover It business card. And you do need to allow up to 1 to 2 billing periods for the credit to post. So these are 2 programs that where your referee can benefit, that both Capital One and Discover have links where they can pre-approve, and they can take these options without creating a hard inquiry to see if they are pre-approved. But make sure that if you're teaching people this strategy to increase their credit score, this works only if they have under a 700 credit score. And I'm quite sure a lot of people, once they reach over 700, they would be very happy about the situation, because majority of people that need help with their credit have under a 700 credit score. So this can work as long as you use the terms and conditions I gave you in the hack earlier. So a lot of you, if you have family and friends and even children that need help, you can educate them on this credit hack. So hopefully this information was helpful, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions for me, you can submit them at my website and they go directly to my phone. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.